Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Hurringo.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for S Bank. S Bank is a ticker name, and what you are watching is the monthly technical chart of the stock, and this is the historical price chart, and these are all the technical indicators that I am using to do the technical analysis for the stock, and these are all the technical indicator graphs that are generated by these indicators. And we have data for S Bank since 2005 onwards up to 2017, November 11th. Okay, now if you look at the historical price path pattern of the stock, we can clearly see that from this point, February 2014, the stock started making new highs and light sideway movement, and again new high 2, high 3, high 4, and right now it is under the consolidation phase, and again it started its upward journey here as per the historical trend path. Okay, so it is following its old model, old pattern, like after every consolidation it tries to rise up and make a new high and again go for consolidation. So we can clearly see, if you look at the trend line, it is moving up. So I think the consolidation phase, it started moving in the upward direction. Though we are seeing the price is still going down, but still, if you look at the trend line looks like the stock started moving in the upward direction. But the indicators are not supporting the guiding point of the indicators are not supporting that thing, because everything is going down right now. Even the momentum is crashing. Stochastics is also, has already crossed the midpoint, and the red line is on top of the black line. That means the slow line is on top of the fast line, and ADX direction strength of the stock is also going down. Both positive and negative direction lines are converging, and RSI, relative strength of the stock, is playing nearby the midpoint. Midpoint is 50. So all these are down. But the stock has still playing on top of its 20-day moving average and 50-day moving average, and right now it is under the intense of positive super trend mode. If you look at the price trend path pattern, so after every high, there is some sort of lull situation. That means a consolidation situation, and after that, the consolidation phase, and again it goes for a new high. So if you look at the trend is still constant. Still the same, even in this moment. But overall, you're seeing continuous red candles right here. The one candle, second candle. This is the last month candle. This is this month candle. Okay, so this is today the stock is trading at 304. Once upon a time, it reached up to 362, and today it is trading at 304. For the last 3-4 months, actually, you can clearly see that the stock is continuously going down. Okay, so is this the right moment to do the investment in this stock? Actually, S Bank recently posted it's a quarterly earnings. Earnings are good, but there is a slight problem with the NPA thing. Maybe that is one of the recently in India, NPAs, bank NPAs are non-performing assets. The percentage of the NPAs have grown too much for the bank to hold them. This is a problem for both the private and public banks, and S Bank is also one of the banks which has a high NPA. Recently it was found out that it has huge NPA, and maybe that is the reason why it is going down. But being a private bank, I think it will correct itself, and again will put itself on the right path, and give it investors huge benefits. Uh, if you look at the volumes, the people believe in the volumes are increasing. The volumes are increasing, and you can clearly see that. People are accumulating. It's like the stock while it is going down. So that indicates the belief. So why they are accumulating? So today, if they have the belief that the stock will move up again. So that is the reason why they are accumulating, right? So that is the thing. But as per my analysis, I think unless there is a return, unless there is a reversal in the stochastics, because unless there is a reversal in the stochastics, and that until that time, I cannot recommend this stock for long-term investment. So I keep observing the stock, I keep observing these indicators, and once the moment it returns, the moment there is a reversal in the this thing where the black line crosses the red line, that time I will create one more video, indicating that is a point for for the right time for you to invest, when it comes to long term investment. Until then, it is better to wait and watch. Okay, so even right now when the stock is falling down, there is no point in investing right now, because immediately your whoever is investing, the stock is not going to the price of the stock is not going to be go up immediately, right? Anyway, it is going down. So at the point of reversal, that means after it hits its bottom, and again when it is going for an upward direction, that time if you invest immediately you will get the you will start getting the benefits. Okay, otherwise your money will become lies idle there, this thing, and actually the value of the investment also goes down, and that is one more point to give you ulcers and all. Okay, so so that's the thing. Right now the conclusion is wait and watch mode, okay, for this S bank. Okay guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.